Vanessa Joy here on my YouTube channel, and here's what we got going on. Everyone around the world, we're in a strenuous time. We are dealing with this issue. Kids are home from school, businesses are closing, restaurants, gym, movie theaters, so many people are being put out of work. Curfews are being suggested. You can't have your weddings. There's so much going on, and supplies are being stocked for literally like it's the end of the world. People are worried sick, and many businesses are thinking that they're not going to make it through this. I am not alone in that, or you are not alone in that. I'm scared too. A lot of people are. I've seen people doing their best to help. I've seen way too many top 10 tips to surviving the coronavirus. And the worst I've seen is people trying to capitalize on the horror that's going on. But I can't say I blame people for trying to scrape together a little bit of the income that's been lost. However, Jared Polin just put out a video doing something different, and I wanted to hop on board because this is what I want to see more of. And I did ask permission to piggyback on his idea. I remember 9/11 very well. I'm from the New Jersey, New York area. I remember it. It was one of the greatest tragedies in our country. But what happened after 9/11 was simply remarkable. It's the most community that I've ever seen. That togetherness afterwards was incredible, and that's what I choose, at least, to remember about 9/11, and that's what I want to do. I want to do exactly what Jared did and start evoking and creating that community that usually happens after a tragedy, but start doing it now. So since small business is what I know and what I relate to most, and since a lot of us have a lot of time but not a lot of money to invest in our businesses right now, I am going to give away my Social Media Demystified mini course absolutely free to anyone who wants it. I figure there are a lot of business owners at home with no work coming in whatsoever, but we can all still work on our businesses and better them so that when we're ready to turn this all around, we've got some foundation that we're building. So I am not collecting your email for it. I am not trying to sell you something afterwards. You won't be subscribing to my list, none of that. If you want to know what the course is, if you're wondering what is this Social Media Demystified, it is the course that teaches you how to organically drive traffic to your social media, mostly Instagram and Facebook, how to reach your target market without paying for posts or boosts, because we all have no money right now, so no one can do that. So it'll advance your knowledge about social media algorithms, what to look for, how to get engagement, followers, things like that. I break down the elements of social media and how you can use it to your advantage. Whether you're a photographer or any type of entrepreneur, I hope it will be valuable for you, especially in a time like this. So all you have to do is go to bit.ly.com/CO Corona, standing for Community Over Corona, and you can get the course. It's a double opt-in, but you do not have to subscribe to my email list. You can, of course, opt in, but that's not my goal here. My goal here is for you to just fill out the form so that I can email you access to the course and the login to view the course. It's just the easiest way to get the course to you is to do it through this form. So you can get that in the link below, and please stay safe out there. I can't even speak. Stay safe out there. Please stay safe out there. Share this with another business owner that you think it would help them. And if you can, be good to each other, pass this on, and let's build a community during the tragedy instead of just after. This is Vanessa Joy.